Hi folks, it's Chet from Tag Along with Chet. Well, as you can see, I'm sitting in the airplane again, and I have Ben over. He's over for the week, so we decided to go flying, and was normal bumpiness, but it was a good day. And on takeoff, just as we were climbing out, I noticed my cylinder head temperature and my exhaust gas temperature gauge doing some weird things. So I kind of troubleshot it as we were cruising along at 5,500 feet, and it seems that the cylinder head temperature is working fine on number 1 cylinder, but the exhaust gas temperature, the bar code, or the bars that go up and down to indicate you know, the difference between the other three, it was only registering like 2 numbers instead of the normal 3 or 4, depending on how hot it gets. But anyway, this is the instrument, this one, and you'll notice when I turn this on and I flip this on, okay, it's the bars are all working on here. I don't know if you can see that, but that reads 78, 84. See, it's okay right now, but once we get going, it like number 1 right now is reading 78 because the engine's still warm, and the cylinder head temperature is indicating 101 on number 2. Anyway, you get the idea. But the problem is, as we were leaving, it yeah, it was giving me some trouble. What I wanted to do is get the problem fixed, because if I do go to Oshkosh, I need that actually, so I can lean out the engine and get optimum performance out of it, out of the fuel. In any case, so I phoned up my mechanic, who's about an hour away from here, and he apparently he said, well, he said, I've got time, he says, so I'll come on down. So he's coming down, so we're just waiting for him. I believe both of them are coming down. Charles and Murray are coming down to have a look at it. So that's kind of good, so I won't have to take the airplane out there. I was actually going to drop it off in Clairzone, because we were only about 15 minutes out of Clairzone, but I had my grandson with me, and of course that means someone has to come pick us up, and you know how things are. So anyway, I thought, well, we'll just leave it alone and see what happens. So we're just waiting for both of them to pop in here and see if they can troubleshoot it. Hopefully it's just a sometimes what happens is just the vibration will knock the plug out of the back a little bit. It doesn't need much to give you that those little indication problems, but I think it's just faulty wiring, and or like the probe in the back of the instrument may be a little loose, but I can't get at it. I mean, I can't even get underneath this panel anymore. I gotta, anyway, it's a pain. So anyway, I just soon have somebody who knows what they're doing look at it. So I'll see what happens.
New connector on there,
Oh man!
Where is it broken at? Right at
the connector, just coming out of the neck.
Yeah. See, that was why, like I was telling you on the phone there, Chet.
Yeah.
They come over and move. Okay, maybe I could do the same thing here. I can put one screw in. I think I can still get in that there.
Okay, folks. Well, we got the problem fixed. All it was a very small little wire which was on number 1 cylinder, and that was causing the exhaust gas temperature to read some weird numbers. It only went up to 90 or some odd, 98 degrees Fahrenheit or something, which was not not accurate at all. But anyway, we just pushed it back in the hangar out here. I did a bit of a run up, and they're all reading the way they should now. So anyway, that's another problem solved. And as you saw, they actually keep them on their motorcycles. I guess they wanted a nice little ride up here, so it's kind of good that they had some time to do this, which I really appreciate. So thanks again, folks, for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.